Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're out here in the carving tent and we're taking a look at this Husqvarna 335 XPT top handle saw. Now, this saw, basically I picked out of the trash. This thing was at the curb, getting ready to head to the dump, and I said, what are you doing with that? It's going to the dump. What's wrong with it? I dropped it. Broke this housing, which wouldn't allow you to pull start it. Obviously, the handle got broke. Muffler cover was smashed off. Lots of places where the screws got to go in are broken, so it's like tough to put covers on. Big crack here all the way through. Kind of makes the housing and the body a little weak. All right, I said I'll take it. I'll monkey with it. This thing has sat in my carport, which houses wood, no actual cars, and it's been there for probably, I don't even know, 6, 7, 8 years without running. I haven't touched it. I haven't even thought about it. Well, we started doing those videos on the Steel 031 AV, bringing that baby back to life, popping up here if you want to check those out. And I decided, you know what, I'm going to see if I can get this thing just running. Well, I did. I pulled it apart, took this cover off, and I wadded JB Weld in here as if somebody else had purchased the JB Weld, right? I pretended I was my own kid and just using products that, you know, I didn't spend money on, but I actually did. And we just drilled some breather holes in there, and this thing will fire up now. Cool. We cleaned out the air filter, put the chain on, get everything sharpened up, and today we are going to try and carve a bear with this saw. Now, don't get me wrong. It's not like this is the first time this has ever been done. It's not. People have been using top-handled chainsaws to carve for a long time. On the other hand, I myself have never even used a top-handled chainsaw. Oh my God, right? Crazy. How? Because I've never had the need for one. I've always bought saws with a rear handle. I always feel like they've got more control. But today is your lucky day. We are going to attempt to carve a bear out of this chunk of pine using the Husqvarna 335 XPT. I really don't know how it's going to go, guys. I haven't made any cuts with it. I really have never used a top handle saw before, and so this should be fun all around. Something else you're all going to love, we're going to have the shoulder mounted camera going and this one, so we'll have 2 views. I said 2. 2 views going, not 3. 2 views going of creating this piece. If you guys are really interested, you're liking this, and you haven't already, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. And you guys hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, leave me a comment at the end. Let me know what you guys thought of this video, and let's start making some sawdust. All right, guys, so here it is. We just finished up this bear, all chainsaw carved, right? Not a lot of detail because we didn't use dime tip bar. We just used that stock bar on this. This thing kept stalling on me. I think it probably needs a carburetor clean. I didn't do that, right? I just got it running and went to town. So would I recommend this as your detail saw? No. Top handle saws? No. It cranks your wrist having to hold it here. You get way better, way better aerodynamics with that back handles on the saw, okay? So just my opinion. If that's all you got, that's all you got. Run it. But it got the job done, you know? It's a little underpowered. It's okay for small carvings and detail work, I would think. You could probably put a dime tip bar on that thing. Not bad, though. I'm happy with the bear. I think he came out good. You guys leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think, though. Now, I just wanted to bring this up. So I've been working on a Steel 031 AV vintage chainsaw, and I have a few more vintage saws I'm going to be working on. I was thinking about adding a membership tier where you guys can become a monthly member, right? And you pop in on that. You guys sign up on the tier, and we'll use that money toward rebuilding or a light refurbish of those saws and try to get them going. Or I put up a PayPal link and you guys can send money through that and just say for, you know, vintage chainsaw restoration. You guys let me know. Let me know what you think of that idea if you guys want to help restore some of these saws. We're going to get into some videos. I'm going to show you guys what those saws look like. So you can wait until then and, you know, kind of think about it. But I'm interested to see what you guys think. If you guys want to help me restore those, restore some of those saws, get them running and cutting again. Now, let me know what you guys think on this particular video as well. This is going to be it as far as we go for here. I know you guys are waiting to have a full furring video. We did do some of those, but for those of you that are beginners, carvers, I'm going to have a link right here at the end to a beginner tutorial playlist, all right? All easy carves, walk you through step by step, 2 views, get you started, and get you going and having some fun with your chainsaw carving. So be sure to check that out. If you haven't already, give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe, guys. Again, leave me a comment. Make sure to be safe, have fun, keep gripping and ripping, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.